Hi, my name is Cynthia Mason. I'm a Canadian lawyer and trademark agent with a law firm of Mason PC and our online trademarking platform, Markably. In this video, I wanted to share a little bit of advice that I shared in a recent free client consult. So we offer a 15-minute free consult to anyone who signs up through our website for a consult. And in these sessions, there's a great opportunity for you as new business owners or, experienced business owners to learn a little bit more about brand protection. And I received a really interesting question, and it's not the first time that I've had this question. And so I wanted to create this little video to kind of share the answer to this question that I think will actually help a lot of you. The question was really about, how do I know when it's safe to use a new name or a logo or a tagline? So basically, how do you know when it's safe for you as a new business owner to launch your name into the public? When are you going to be safe from infringing somebody else's trademark? Or when are you going to be protected from somebody else copying your great idea? And so here in Canada, the way that you protect a name, a logo, or a tagline is with a Canadian trademark registration. This is a federal government grant of the exclusive right to use a trademark throughout all of Canada. And when you have a trademark registration, you are the owner of that exclusive right. Now, unfortunately, here in Canada, it's taking a long time to get a trademark registration. The quickest you're going to get one is about 18 months. But for most business owners, it's actually significantly longer than that. And so you can't file your trademark application, or you can't wait until you get a trademark registration in order to put your new name or your logo or your tagline out there in the world. You kind of have to do it and hope for the best. But there is a way that you can protect yourself. One, before you file your trademark application, you want to make sure that there isn't anybody else out there using the same trademark or something that's very similar and put in connection with, or that's used in connection with, products or services that are somewhat similar to yours. So you want to make sure that your new trademark is completely unique. You can do this through a variety of different searches on the trademarks register, search Google, search social media. There's a lot of different databases that we search for our clients when we're clearing a new trademark for their use. You can do some of these searches yourself, or you can hire a professional like us to do it for you. But when you ensure that there isn't anybody else out there using that same trademark or something very similar in a similar field of business, you really are ensuring that you're not going to be infringing somebody else's rights when you launch your trademark. Now, how do you protect your trademark or your rights to that trademark once you launch? And you do that by filing a Canadian trademark application, getting in line to get yourself that trademark registration, especially since it takes so long to get in Canada. So there are a number of different ways that you can get a trademark application on file. Our law firm, we offer a complete trademark registration service where we're going to do a search of the trademarks register to make sure that there's no obstacles on that register to your trademark registration. We're going to file your trademark application that has everything that complies with the Canadian Trademarks Act and regulations. So it is a fully compliant trademark application. And we're going to stick handle that application all the way through to registration for you. We also have our online trademarking platform where we're going to do that first part of that process for you. So we're going to do the search and we're going to prepare and file your trademark application that's in compliance with Canadian trademark rules. And then you can kind of handle the rest of the application process as your business is kind of growing and just chugging along. Or if you have a lot of time and you have some knowledge about trademark rules, you can prepare and file your own trademark application and get the process started so that your trademark registration, when it issues, will ultimately protect the new trademark that you've been using for whether it's 18 months or longer. But so long as you're doing the preliminary searches and you ensure that you're the first one to use this mark or that there isn't something similar already out there, you should have a certain level of comfort that your brand is protected and that you're not infringing on anybody else's rights. If you would like some help in clearing a new trademark for your use or for applying to register your trademark, reach out to us through the website. We're always happy to help.